Hey, how's everyone going out there today? My name's Professor Prawn. I've got one of my DJ playlists, DJ mixes I should say, that I mixed and put on SoundCloud a while ago. Feel free to head over to SoundCloud and check that out if you want as well. Got a lot of nice detail on the sun reflecting off his head there. I was gonna start making try and make a nature style documentary for fun of my prawn planet. So I've been using a combination between Midjourney and Luma Vision. I've been using Luma Vision Dream Machine to make my movies. And I've been, really enjoying that, and been getting some really interesting results from that too, actually. This is some that I've generated before, based from Midjourney. So I capture the image on Midjourney, or generate the image on Midjourney, and then bring it into Luma Vision, and then it animates it. So that's one that I did. Well, this one's the most recent one that I did today. Morphing. That's really cool. Changes the background too. It's a really nice effect. It's psychedelic and trippy, which I like. And it's like be cool for a visual, like for backgrounds and Twitch. But it's also cool as an effect to use in your shots, your movie shots and stuff like that. I think it could be, really quite effective. Still just playing with that. That's the new feature in Luma Dream Machine. I will do that in a sec. I'll show you how to do it. Quite easy. You gotta have Luma Vision. I paid for mine. I pay a subscription fee. But yeah, it's there's a free trial. You don't have to pay a subscription, but because I use it a lot, I've chosen to pay. I also pay for Midjourney, of course, because there's no free trial on Midjourney. If you wanted to do it free, use Flux. Flux doesn't quite have the same kind of control and power over the cinematic details and shots and stuff, so I still use Midjourney personally, but if you don't want to pay, then use Flux. People are making some pretty cool stuff with Flux, so you can't discard it completely. This is one for my documentary on my prawn world that I'm in the process of making. I think that's beautiful, that shot. We could turn that into, try and animate that. I quite like that. I'm gonna save this. Then I'm going to bring it into Luma Vision, and I'm going to show you what it's like to make a little animated that to create. And then the good thing about Luma Vision is that it's Dream Machine is it's so simple to use. It's so powerful and simple to use. You can make amazing things with really simple prompts. They've really streamlined this. So you just click on here, download that image that you imported, and then when it says end frame, that's when you do the interpolation one where it morphs and transforms into something else. I don't want to do that for this shot. I just want to see how it animates the that prawn creature. So I'll just say like, all right, and you got to be specific about the camera when you do this. Like, do you want a steady shot, or do you want the camera to move? That kind of thing. So we'll just I don't think I really want it to move. So I'm going to say steady shot. Camera steady. Animate creature. And that's it. And then we'll just let it go. So we'll go back to Midjourney. Just gonna let it do its thing there. I'll show you some more of the images that I made. These are some of my prawn ones. We go down. Show you some ones that I was doing the other day. These are really interesting ones. These are really nice characters, you know. I really like these characters. This one just says, a full body selfie shot of a highly detailed, beautiful male prawn character looking at the camera. At a prawn rave, make it a cinematic shot as if on a Hollywood set. Make him wear beautiful clothes that fit the design of a prawn. Capture the scene in a way that highlights the alien, yet harmonious aesthetic of the prawn-inspired cultures, his vibrant, otherworldly colours and textures to enhance the senses of being on a different planet. Make it hyper-realistic and photorealistic. Make it look like it is being shot by the best cinematic camera with the best cinematic lenses. Really showcase the rave scene. Show us what a rave on a prawn planet would look like. Yeah, I really like it. Created some really nice ones. Here's an amazing image. The detail in that one, I think, is just so cool. Like, you can even see like little whiskers on his chin. Nice reflections in the eyes. But yeah, he's amazing. Should animate that one, I guess. So I might save that one. I'll go over to Luma Dream Machine. That other one's been generated, so I'll show you that. Let's just do this first. Choose photo. I'll just say Animate creature. Move head slowly. Move eyes slowly. Steady camera. Let's have a look at this other one. Wow. How cool is that? So with a lot of these, the way that it works is it's taking the last frame, and generating it off the last frame, off the next frame off the last frame. So the further away from the original image, the kind of the weirder and more distorted it looks. So what you need to do is, edit them down. So this looks good at the start, and then like his eye goes weird there at the end. So I would bring that into an editing software program and chop that out, to just cut it, maybe just cut it there. Whoop. Just use it for a couple of seconds. I've noticed that the models each upgrade gets better at doing that. The ones that I was using, like Pika Labs and stuff before, aren't nearly as good, and so they'll keep getting better. I mean, it'll get better than that as well. Luma Dreams will bring out the next model and upgrade to that, and it'll be smoother and smoother and smoother until eventually, soon, you won't even be able to notice that it's being animated by AI. Pretty cool. This one's still generating, so I'll go back to this one was cool, but it didn't really have the aesthetic I was going for. I was going for the cinematic look. And that's not really cinematic, it's got this kind of like artistic look to it that I'm not really into, so it's a cool painting, but I was going for the cinematic look, which that didn't do. This is quite amazing. I think she's quite amazing, this one actually. It's kind of got this sci-fi, like futuristic kind of mech kind of a vibe, but organic. Kind of like she's wearing a suit, prawn suit, exoskeleton. Wow, that just gave me an idea. Yeah, prawn man, like Iron Man. A prawn and Iron Man. Prawn Iron Man. This prompt says, a full body selfie shot of a highly detailed, beautiful prawn character looking at the camera at a prawn festival. Make it a cinematic shot, as if on a Hollywood movie set. Make it wear beautiful clothes to fit the design of a prawn goddess. Capture the scene in a way that highlights the alien yet harmonious aesthetic of the prawn-inspired cultures. Use vibrant, otherworldly colours and textures to enhance the sense of being on a different planet. Make it hyper-realistic and photorealistic. Make it look it has been shot by the best cinematic camera with the best cinema lenses ever made. That was me because I didn't know all the jargon and stuff like the other one that had all the details about which camera and which type of lenses and which f-stop to use and all that stuff. So I just skipped all that. And it still did a pretty good job of me just paraphrasing and saying, use the best cinematic lenses you can find, and it kind of did that. So yeah, that's pretty good. I mean, I'm kind of stoked with that. I think that looks quite amazing, really. I mean, if you think about it, the fact that we can do that off a prompt is quite incredible. We'll go back to Luma Dream Machine. Still, there we go. It's finished it. So let's have a look at it, shall we? Whoa. Nice. That's so cool. Really like that. I like the subtle movement of the ears. I really like the ears and the tentacles, and it's actually done a really good job. It hasn't made anything look weird or bizarre or anything like that. It's just kind of, it's done a really good job of that one. I mean, it can be a little bit hit and miss sometimes, like sometimes it goes a bit weird, but that time it kind of nailed it. So yeah, I'll be definitely using that one. We're keeping that one for sure. It's another one. It's a really good one. That's awesome. Look at the details in the wings coming out of its head and the tentacles. So good. Let's save that one. I'll go back. Okay, animate head. Animate head, slowly move. And eyes, animate. Okay, we'll let that go. See how that one's going in a minute. This is pretty good. All right, well, shall we write a prompt? Let's write a prompt. So I'll write a prompt. I'll start writing a prompt. If you want it 16:9, I'm doing Midjourney in web-based mode, so and not in Discord. They've just kind of released this web-based mode. You used to have to do it in Discord for ages, but now they kind of like made it a bit better. So you can either choose now. You can do it in Discord or you can do it in just a web-based mode. But the web-based mode I've just started using and it's quite good. But if you want it 16:9, you have to press the AR 16:9 and it'll just type the prompt out there for you. It still has to be in the prompt, which tricked me actually. I thought it was just a button like all the other ones, but it has to still be in the prompt for Midjourney to make it landscape and not portrait, or landscape and not square. So you have to specify, which is what I've done. So I'm going to write a prompt now. So I'm just going to say, like, let's. What are we going to do? Let's have a prawn, a fantastic looking humanoid prawn character. DJing on top of a beautiful mountain top, overlooking spectacular alien landscape. There's some shit that's really found. You're running round, a foul that's barely hit the ground. I'm in the sound, you in the pound filled with clowns. You're getting clown for all your pound. These right-wing rappers put the Tory up in auditory. Story ain't kicking the Adoras in the mortuary. Sort of scary. Rack it up just like just say pay attention to the details of the clothes on the character. Make the clothes highly spectacular and highly detailed. Make it hyper realistic and cinematic with cinematic lighting. Make it in daytime. So you have to specify when you're writing the prompts. You have to specify day, night, those kind of things. Otherwise it just guesses and it doesn't give you what it wants. That's doing it now. Let's go back to Luma Vision. Here we go. Yeah. Done. Seemingly prepared to flag it, running card and swagger seafood. I was trying to work, but I ain't heard your stories or your people. We got receipts, but a bucket load. You understood, misunderstood. You stake a beam. We just went. That wasn't very good. I'm more of a talker than a stalker.
I walk the walk, but still a porker. I'm in the Benz, you in the market for a Corsa. Kinda sorta, you got the bag cause you are.
Yeah, that was a fail, that one. I'd have to get it. I'd have to get that one to do it again. There's no way I would use that. I'm gonna delete it.
Legacy unachievable. Telling me we should work unbelievably unbelievable. Peeping, not to be leaving them all hanging.
That's probably the worst one I've seen Luma Vision do. That's alright. Doesn't work all the time. That's okay. Let's see. Oh, this is the ones that I just generated before. Generates 4 at a time. I didn't do it 16:9, but the reason why is because there's no space there. It's really annoying when that happens. But everything else is fine except, that looks great except for the fact that also it's not DJing, is it? Very cool though. Almost looks like something out of a Star Wars set, doesn't it? Ah, that's it. If you animated that, that'd look great, but I don't want it because it's not in the right aspect ratio. So yeah, it's a real shame. It annoys me when it doesn't do it in the right aspect ratios. My one hum there is about one gripe about Midjourney. Put the space there. And it's just sitting there, so I quite like that. I'm going to do 2. I'm going to change it next time and make him DJ next time, but I might just leave it there for this one. Hopefully I fixed that 16:9 glitchy thing. That. Nice. See, that's 16:9. That's what I wanted. I want the humanoid creature, but sometimes it doesn't quite get there. But it does these other creatures. But these creatures I could use for my documentary.
Strap on your headset, gather all your assets, cause the funk train is leaving the station.
I really like that.
Destination metaverse, and don't be mistaken, we all wanna be.
Oh, he's got a little DJ thing on his lap. That's kind of cool. Wow. I'm going to upscale that. So you press upscale, the ones that you want. Upscale it first before you download it. Because if you upscale it, then it's going to be at the highest resolution possible. I like this one too. I'll upscale this one. See how it goes. I have to wait for it to upscale. I'll upscale and then I'll animate those. It's not quite finished yet. That's one upscaled. Yeah, it is upscaled. You can tell. You can see. It's changed it. It does change it a little bit when it upscales it. Gives it more details and stuff. Save that. Right, let's try like pan the camera around, or like zoom in a little bit maybe. So let's bring it in. I just say zoom. Alright. It's going to take a little while to do its thing. Dream Machine. Has it done its thing? Not quite yet. Let's get it to do another one. Oh wait, let's go back. That one, didn't we? So let's this one. So much detail in that. There's even the ring on his finger. It's great. Might try to animate the cloak. See what happens. So I'm going to animate the cloak, try and tell it. Animate cloak, the flap slowly in the breeze. Moves camera slowly around the character. Alright, let's do its thing. We've got this other one now, it's done its thing. Zoom camera in slightly and slowly pan around is what it did. It started animating the hand for me, which I didn't ask it to do, but that's alright. I really like the way it's done that. Got this other one cooking in the kitchen. Just getting ready. Should do another character, another animal character. Try and animate one of them. I like kind of like one of these animals on the mountain top. Try this one. Yes. That's what I was trying to do earlier, but couldn't get it to work. And now it's just done it automatically by itself, which is great. I really like the landscape on this one. Look at the crags on that. Imagine going down there. That'd be awesome. Alright, so I'm going to upscale this. Might try the creative one. The creative. We like creative people. We like creative things. So let's upscale it in a creative way and see what happens. Go back to Luma Dream. Still dreaming. Might choose another creature on a rock. It's quite good too, isn't it? Got nice wings and overlooking this amazing crags down there. So let's upscale it. Upscale the creative. I'll go back and see how this other one's done. This one's done now, so I'll save this one. Here we go, this one's ready now. This is what I normally do. I normally flick back and forth between Luma Vision and Midjourney, the natural process. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh wow, I love how it's added the river there. Look how it does that. Generating frames. Cool, it does some really interesting things like that, Luma Vision. I really like how it does that. It didn't animate the creature very much, and it didn't flap the cloak. So it looked like it just focused on moving the camera section, but not doing so much there with the creature, which is a shame. We'll go and animate this little guy. We'll say animate creature. Camera steady. Still camera. another one. Steady shot. Steady camera. Anime creature to move head slowly. Alright, let's do another one. I want to do an underground one this time. Underwater one, I should say. Like my underwater stuff. I'm going to make like a fluorescent, like glowing, pulsating one under the water. Fantastic underwater humanoid prawn character. Underwater. Fantastic looking fluorescent. Glowing, luminescent. Prawn character underwater. Underwater in an underwater cave. In an underwater cave with neon, translucent, pulsating, glowing jellyfish floating all around. There we go.
She like them boy with the big old chains. Ride around
Let's try this.
big old range. I knew when I rock big old chains. Not a little nigga doing big old things. Would you look at that? I came back for it, just to get to you, like you asked for. Man, that thing in them jeans too fat for it. Rebound, so I caught off the
Nice.
back.
Yeah, the Luma Vision ones are ready now, so let's take a look at that.
Even when I ain't from it, and I brag hardly, but just to show up at this party I made with your nigga making one yet. That's
Nice. It starts to animate it a bit at the end.
take a chance on the dice. Money can't buy your love 'cause it's overpriced.
The thing about Luma Vision I find is that it's
It's right, I'm only here for the night.
good at the camera moving and the panning and stuff like that, but the actual animation of the characters is a little bit hit and miss. I still reckon it's all in early stages. When they start being able to actually animate the expressions and the movement of the hands and the, like fluid, that's going to be when it gets really interesting and really usable for, you know, cinema or animating purposes. But we're getting there. We're getting there so fast. It'll happen. It'll happen in the next 12 months probably. Quite good too. Just I'd like more movement in the creature. It's not even moving at all, unfortunately. But I'll still use it. Whoa, here it is. Ah, mad. That's this one. How cool is this one? That's what I'm talking about. Love it. I'll upscale it. Ready. Upscale it. We'll just get it going. Have a look at these other ones. It's alright. Nice. I like that one. I'm going to upscale that one. Nice jellyfish. I'll upscale that one too. I reckon that'd make a nice animation. We can get that to, if we can get the bubbles to move, and if we can get the jellyfish tentacle thingies moving, if we can get this to pulsate and these to drift, float. If we can do that, I reckon it'd be awesome. So we'll give that a shot, eh? This one is still loading. This one is done. We'll save this one. Nice. I like the lighting on those jellyfish. Go into Luma Vision. Go back. Keep camera still. Animate to move. Keep camera still. It's going to take a little while. Make another couple more, shall we? Already did that one. I have to get them first. Yeah, nice. I like the colours now. Colours are awesome. Animate jellyfish. To move and pulsate. Animate bubbles. To move upwards. Animate jellyfish to swim. Keep camera steady. I think I'll make this my last one and then I might finish it up. I just wanted to show you guys this. I enjoyed doing this and hope you guys enjoyed it as well. I'll just generate these last ones and then I'll finish up. have a look at a few more. I like him. He's a cute little character. Some good ones there. He's a really good one. He's my favourite. Pretty cool, that one. This one's done now. Yeah. How cool was that? The animations of the jellyfish. Nailed that, isn't it? Ah, and it's given some nice animations on the character too. That's cool. Very nice. Very happy with that one. We'll wait for this last one. Finishes dreaming. Just go back through the ones that we made. We made this one, which is that little prawn creature underwater. I'll cut the end off that one. There's ones on the mountaintop, so we did the very spectacular shot, that one, isn't it? I like that one. Not much movement in the creature. I do like the camera shot, what it's done there, but the creature needs to be animated more. And again, this one's beautiful. No movement in the character. Seems to be a bit hit and miss. I reckon it's going to get better though. This one, they moved the creature a little bit with the hand and the head a little bit, and the body, a little bit of movement. Like I said, they obviously need to improve on the subtle movements. This is good here. Like, look at the animation and the subtle movements there, and the head and the way that. See, that's great. But you don't have much control over it, unfortunately. Try and type the prompt to control it, and it doesn't. This kind of randomly does it. But this guy. Oh, that was the interpolation. That's when you morph. Another guy. Yeah, again, very slow, subtle movement, but not much happening in the head or the animation in that sense. Here we go. Here's the last one that I'm going to show you guys is the jellyfish one. So we just did. So it did animate the bubbles like I told it to do, which is great. There's a little bit of movement going on here. They're kind of floating and moving a little bit, but they're not moving in the background. It's very beautiful though. So yeah. I've had a great time. I might leave it now, and I'll see you guys next week. Big love, fam. See you soon.